Just bought NXP Semiconductor this morning at $237.98. Momentum saving score 80 out of 100 and Kelly Criterion is 74. Two signals, one direction. Let me show you the full game plan. This channel documents every momentum swing trade live so you can judge the system yourself. I build a trading system. I call it momentum swing score. I know it works. This channel is my public proof. Every trade documented live from entry to exit, no editing history, no hiding losses, just the record. Watch me prove it and you will be the witness. Every entry, every exit and every result live and public. Here is my proof record. 41 closed trades, 39 wins, 2 losses, 95.12% win rate and 4 current open position. Everything educational purpose only, paper trading, not financial advice. Please always do your own research. So, okay, let me tell you what's happening with NXPI, NXP Semiconductors. I just bought this stock this morning at $237.98. This stock was actually their high, $339, almost early beginning of this year. And then it came down to almost 230% dropped. 30% drop is a kind of very strong correction there. Last their earning reports, they met the expectation. Their revenue actually go up to 3.5 billion, is up 19% year over year and beat the expectation. The reason seems like it because the stock is go their highest level $340 May 2026. Seems like an investor took some profit and again, as I said, every stock go into the correction territory and this is stock also no exception, is going through the correction territory and seems like it is going to be bounced back from here. So on the top of that, NXP just deployed their technology across the entire BMW fleet. This is also very good news. And they are also in talks to acquire another company which AI chip designer for autonomous vehicles. Those are the very good also fundamental news in the market and also a very strong business and temporary weakness, temporary going through the correction territory. And my system momentum swing score give me the 80 and I am going after it. So let's go right now talk about the game plan. As I said, my momentum swing score 80 out of 100, very strong signal for me to get in. I also ran Kelly Criterion formula for this setup. Kelly Criterion came back at 74. So if you are considering trade yourself, instead of putting 100% of your planned capital, you can consider reallocating 74% of it. So let's say if you plan to invest $10,000 on NXPI, so Kelly Criterion, my number is saying put only $7,400 and keep the rest of the money as a protection. So rest of the 26%, keep it as a protection. This is a very good risk management formula. I wanted to share with you as extra value. So no financial advice, definitely no financial advice, just the math and my system produce it because it's kind of linked with the momentum swing score. I use my momentum swing score, which is 80 in the stock, to calculate the Kelly criterion. So this number is 74. So game plan, as I said, I entered it today, $237.98, $237.98. And my first target will be $260. Hope I can reach that. And there is a very strong support level, $226. And if I can go reach to $260, I am aiming for 9% capital return. And as a plan B, because when I say that my momentum swing score 80, there is a still 20% chance the stock works against me. And this is the DCA area I am right now aiming for, 209. If the stock works against me and came down to 209, I will add more shares. And also I will watch very closely 200 level as well. So far, on daily indicators, stock is very positive momentum. So that's why it's giving me the go enters and entry signal this morning, and I get in this stock. But weekly time frame, there's a bearish room, but that's why I will not be surprised if the stock works against me a little bit. But as I said, this is a great stock, and I will definitely take it as a discount if stock work against me. So quick question for you. NXP beat earnings, stock still dropped 30% from its high. Do you think this recovers to 260 or there is a more downside? Please drop your answer below. I will reply every comment. So entry price already posted in the community tab. Result video, as soon as I close this trade, I will publish it immediately, win or loss always. And also, if you don't want to miss my weekend pre-entry notification, please subscribe and hit the bell, because since last Saturday, I've been sharing my notifications through the community tab. I already informed everyone during the weekend I'm going to enter this stock on Monday. I said Monday morning I am buying NXP Semiconductors. So, and I give you a little bit of game plan here. And also, as soon as I bought that stock this morning, I also shared my entry price as well. And also, one more thing, I exited Netflix, $76.72. Also, exit video, I have to prepare it today. So please subscribe so you are not going to miss my notifications. You are the witness. No hype here, no promises, just the system and the proof. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next trade.